And we begin the bulletin with some breaking news coming in from the state of Maharashtra, where Devendra Fadnavis backtracks on the Ladki Bahin scheme. Fadnavis says 2100 will not be given from April as promised. He further added that we are working on it, but maintains that the budget balance is crucial. To sustain these schemes in the long run, we cannot exceed the financial limits. We will announce the date of disbursement at least 1 month in advance. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis backtracks on the Ladki Bahin scheme. Fadnavis says 2100 will not be given from April as promised. He further added that we are working on it, but maintains that budget balance is crucial. And to sustain these schemes in the long run, we cannot exceed the financial limits. We will announce the date of disbursement at least 1 month in advance.
जहाँ तक लाडली बहन योजना का सवाल है, कोई पैसे कम नहीं किए, सबको पैसे मिलेंगे, पूरे पैसे मिलेंगे.
There was no announcement for anyone, whether it is women, whether it is youth, students or farmers. There's nothing, declared, any beneficial is declared for anyone. That is what we feel. In case of Ladki Bahin, they had said that we will give you 2100 rupees a month. That they have not declared. In case of farmers, they had said we will give you loan waiver. That they have not declared. They are talking about, the airport which is happening in Navi Mumbai. Arey boss, it has been happening since last 4 years. You have to talk for what you are going to do in this particular year, which they are not able to speak about.
My colleague Arucha is joining me right now to get us more details. Arucha, it's a I told you so moment for the Mahavikas Aghadi. The opposition is mounting attack on the Fadnavis government, saying that they knew that these schemes are only tall promises and it's never going to be implemented. How is the Fadnavis government reacting to it? Is there a tentative timeline in mind by when can the disbursements begin?
Well, of course, the Chief Minister himself has said that we are not trying to fool anyone, or we are going by the provisions that are made. We are not, they are not able to exceed the limit which is allotted for the Ladki Bahin scheme, and he has specifically clarified that the amount which was promised of 2100 rupees per month will not be given as of now, which was promised from April. The women beneficiaries were likely to get 2100 rupees in their accounts, which is currently at 1500 rupees. Now, this is because the government, the Mahayuti government, had previously announced this scheme and had mentioned in their manifestos of all the parties that the amount will be given, that will be 2100 rupees. But what we are seeing now in the budget, there is no special allocation for the additional amount. As per the numbers, if we see the amount which was earlier allotted for the scheme was 33,232 crore rupees, and which is now 36,000 crore rupees. Now, if we look at the numbers, the amount according to the 2100 rupees should have gone up. It should have been more than what it is now, but clearly the government is not planning anymore to give those 2100 rupees at this point. And CM Fadnavis also mentioned that whenever they are planning to exceed the limit, whenever they will be rising this amount to 2100, they will be telling in advance, at least a month before they will make this announcement, and which is now receiving criticism because the Ladki Bahin scheme is the same scheme which has been a game changer in the assembly elections, and which was the main focus of all the Mahayuti parties, that they had promised to give this amount. And the beneficiaries are also currently happy with the work of the government, that they are getting the 1500 rupees per month And if we look at the criticism received by the government, they are also saying that it was already clear that this government will not be able to continue the scheme. They were already saying that this was just to fool the people in election period, and which is now we are seeing that the amount which will be continued at 1500 rupees. Now, if we technically look at the numbers, there's a reason behind this. Now, the beneficiaries which were earlier in big number are now cut down with the scrutiny. Now, there are multiple layers to this scheme. The women who are having four-wheeler cars in their name, or who are working as a government employees, are excluded from the scheme, which were getting benefits of the scheme earlier. Now, almost 5 lakh women are cut short from this list of women beneficiaries of Ladki scheme. If we look at the numbers after the scrutiny, the number has gone down, and according to that, the government is saying that they have made the allocation, and in future also it is very much likely that the number of women beneficiaries will be shorter, will be cut down after more layers of scrutiny come in this scheme. Now, the government
Well, we have
is
to wait
currently
and
saying
see,
that they have
Richa,
given
as and when there is any clarity on when the disbursements would begin for the Ladki Bahin Yojana. But kindly stay with us, and I'll